बस आ जाओ ना, आगे हो थोड़ा। गैस ये बेचारा आदर्श।
अबे हाँ, स्टॉक तो बन चुका है ना। स्टॉक के हिसाब से काटा पड़ा, स्विच ऑफ करो ना मार को।
ये कटलेट्स में डालेंगे।
इसको अभी और छोटा। हाँ सभी का रफली चॉप नहीं, इसको और फाइन तक करने वाले हैं। ये अपने कटलेट में स्टॉक तो बन, स्टॉक के हिसाब से काटा था रफली चॉप। अगली खुद में लगेगा।
मैं ले रही हूँ, देख रहा हूँ
कि देख आराम से, देखने का अपने पेट में जा।
एक जन बांटो सबको, वो दो मेरा वाला और किचन वाला ये लो।
कितना कटेगा? 60 देगा। अरे पानी में रहनी चाहिए था। हो गया बहुत पैसा।
इसका मिशन है। कल से गायब,
वो भी कार में ही हुआ है।
सारों को पसंद करना पड़ेगा।
मिक्सर में लगा देते फिर से हार्ड हो जाएगा। फिर
हार्ड तो करना। कितना आइटम तेरा?
सॉरी
इतने कि पूछी मत।
अपना मेस किया क्या?
For the micro, I'm adding roughly chopped vegetables here in this. I'm not adding garlic in this. Only flavorful vegetables. Okay. I've added in this. Now I'll add salt and pepper. Okay. Very salt. According to taste, I put in pepper. Salt. Not much salt. As per the chicken, you take salt. Okay. There is egg. Egg whites. Egg whites कहाँ है? Okay. So these egg whites I'm going to add in the chicken wings. Okay. So as per the list, I have added everything here in this. Now I'm going to mix the whole thing together first. Fine, it is all mixed and absorbed together. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in this, what I'll do is I'll add some stock. Where is the stock? I told you to take some extra. You've taken. Okay. So in this, I'm adding stock. Like this only, cold stock I'm adding in this. Some more stock we need. Take some more stock in this. Okay. So I'm adding in the chicken stock. Enough chicken stock I have added in this, and now the whole thing I'm going to mix together well. Again here like this. You saw what I'm doing? Make sure there are no lumps of chicken mince in the mixture here. Okay, so this is one uniform mixture now. Now this mixture, see how cloudy this is looking now?
Yes.
Right? But after clarification it will be all smooth. So this particular mixture I will transfer into my dekchi. In this I am going to cook my consomme. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Though I transfer everything here, little water in this. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll put it on the flame. Put this on. Okay. I'll put this on the
Flame.
gas range, flame. Okay. Now when you put this on the gas range, make sure you start stirring this in the beginning. Why we have to start stirring this? What will happen if I don't stir this?
Lumps.
Lumps though we want lumps, but then what else?
Stick to the bottom.
Yeah, the chicken mince will stick to the bottom, right? Because it is a protein, and as soon as it gets the heat, it will coagulate and stick at the bottom of the pan. So we stir it for 2-3 minutes until it is little hot. Okay. But once it gets hotter, we have to stop stirring it and let it be like that only until the raft is formed on the top of the water level. Okay, you saw so much water I have taken.
Yes.
So the what you have taken before, some more and little water for rinsing. That much you have to take and make your consomme soup. Okay, I think this will be enough of stirring. But still after a minute or so I'll stir. Okay, and let this cook. So along with all the impurities it will come on the top, and then you will get a clear, crystal clear liquid at the bottom of the pan. Clear?
Yes,
This
sir.
is how you make your consomme.
Minced chicken, carrots, celery, onion, egg whites. We mix it by hand. You have to wash your hands first. चम्मच अपना था. एक काम कर वैसा एक छोटा बर्तन दिखा दे.
सॉल्ट पेपर रखो यहाँ पर पास में.
पेपर किधर है? पेपर दे वो खाली का सॉल्ट है. सॉल्ट ना तेरे. अरे पेपर देना.
एक रबर स्पैचुला निकाल के रखो बाहर.
रबर स्पैचुला देता है.
और वुडन स्पैचुला भी.
कृष्णा
अच्छा एक रबर स्पैचुला निकालो सिर्फ चलेगा.
कृष्णा फालतू चीज टूटता है.
एक बार रबर स्पैचुला फ्रॉम योर.
हाँ
गुड. ओके गार्लिक और डालो.
ले लो.
गार्लिक
गाली में
Put onions also. Very good. Okay. So I'm going to saute onions and garlic a little. Okay, add in the cauliflower, all the cauliflower. In this, I'm adding salt to taste and pepper for the seasoning. Okay, I've added salt and pepper. A pinch of nutmeg can also be added in there. So nicely, you should coat all the cauliflower. Don't let it become black. Okay, this thing I will transfer on the pie dish. This is not a pie dish, you'll have pie dish in your center there, use it. Okay, so I've taken out cauliflower center. Okay, and to be arranged like this. For white sauce, I'm taking approximately 20 grams of butter. Okay, where's the flour? Okay, in this I will be taking 1 tablespoon and getting more of the flour. This is approximately a tablespoon and little more. Okay, so much flour I have taken. Now with the help of your spatula only, फ्लेम कम करो इसका. You can do it on a slow flame. The flame was little high. Okay, like this you roast it until the raw flavor is gone.
Yes, sir.
Now we are not doing that slurry wala thing and adding, because we have to make it for the Mornay sauce. So what I'll do is mix it until the raw flavor is gone. Okay, in this I'll add the milk. Add all the milk. Put. Okay. Now I will stir it and make sure there are no lumps in the sauce. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Go on mixing it until the lumps are dissolved. Try to do it on a slower flame. Otherwise, you'll get lots of lump and the sauce will also burn. So like this, you go on mixing it. Somewhere if you feel that your sauce is not white enough, you can add little cream in the end. Okay? So like this I'll add some more, I'll add some salt for the taste. Add salt and pepper according to taste.
अरे डाल
बस. Okay?
पेपर पण टाकू.
Some pepper. Bye bye enough. Too much it is.
पेपर में हाथ ही डालना था.
Okay. You can see the sauce getting thicker now. Right? So this is an appropriate consistency. for the sauce to be poured on the cauliflower. But make sure you dissolve whatever possible lumps that have been formed. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Don't make it too thick. If you find that your sauce has become very thick because of the excess flour that you have taken, you can add little more milk in it. Okay? To make it thinner. Fine, but this is a right consistency for the sauce. Now I'll transfer the sauce onto the cauliflower.
Tempting.
Use rubber spatula so that you take off all the material from the pan. Okay, so like this, and then put little cheese on top later on, and then gratin it and serve. Okay,
Yes, chef.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, carry on with your table.
बट वो ये लेके कॉल हर्ष
See how clear the liquid has come out. Without disturbing much the broth. Gas fast करोगे तुम? कैसे दे रहे?
कटलेट मध्ये मसाला नाही टाकला
ठीक है, अब कितना हो गया? अब इसको फिर से साइड में निकालो और इसको पूरा दबा के इसको ड्राई कर लो. इसमें मत डालो, सूप में मत डालो. सूप में डालोगे तो फिर उसमें वो इम्प्योरिटीज आ जाएगा. Powder को. To take this mix. Okay. See now, this piping bag. I've taken out the white part and we have put meringue nozzle in this. Now in this, we are going to throw the mixture that we have prepared for egg dushi. Yeah, Pond's dushi. But make sure this is smooth without any lumps. है ना सारे में रखे हैं? हाँ वो में चलो. It is done color only. ओके नाउ कम एंड सी हियर मागे करूया सगळं वाटलं
सब वाटायला
ओके सी हियर नाउ ओय कम एंड सी हियर व्हाट वी आर डूइंग इज वी आर पाइपिंग आउट रोसेट्स क्या पाइप आउट कर रहे हैं रोसेट्स ओके Okay, nice they are looking. So this way. Okay, fill in the mixture more and we all try. कर सगळे इसमें डाला है ना तू क्रम को चल हल्का बोलतात बस झालं तर बस झालं हां हलका सगळं हां कर हां साईड सगळं हां असं का गुड चल लवकर कर अब गोल करना आधी गोल करायला असं बाईंड करताना ठीक आहे मग त्याला असं असं करायचं आणि थोडंच दाबायचं असतं काय झालं तर
काय